thank you for this new day and for the people at this table. Amen.
Morning.
Yeah, I can have the proposal on your desk by Friday. Not a problem.
Absolutely.
We'll cut there.
Standing in front of 145 Cedar Ridge at 1.25 million. Let me show you around.
Thank you for today. Guide us in everything we do.
Capital City Cribs is back. Let's go check out this house. What's up, everybody? Moving to Baton Rouge with Jay LaRose at Capital City Cribs is back. You know, most channels, or some channels, they only want to show $1 million fancy houses. I'm here for everybody. We show $200,000 houses, $300,000 houses, $400,000 houses, $500,000 houses, all the way up to $1 million houses. We got a very expensive one coming up soon. But if you're in the market in the Gonzales area, in around $130 per square foot, $300,000 to $400,000 range, look in the description section, book a call with me, call my phone number. They have beautiful houses like this that our team offers. This is a huge 5-bedroom house. It's over 2,700 square feet, over 3,600 square feet total, 5 bedrooms in the lakes at Santa. As you can see, here's a shot of the master bedroom. 2 beautiful sinks. Everybody has their own area. A big tub, not a little bitty tub like some of the newer houses are putting in. You got the walk-in shower. You got a walk-in closet here. Another walk-in closet. 2 closets. The small one for him, the big one for her. Another view of the main bedroom. Big open floor plan. I like the kitchen and the living room area. Coming back this way, as you can see, is another view of the kitchen. Pretty large laundry room. Another full bath. This house has a very large backyard too, a 5-bedroom with a large backyard. There's a view of the garage. I've been having a great opportunities to help people just like you to find homes just like this. So I would love for you to meet you, reach out to me so I can help any way that I can. Here's a view of the closet. There's some good space in that closet. So there's 2 bedrooms. You got a little office space right there. I wouldn't be scared to put my laptop in there, and when I need to hide away and get some work done, go right in there and get to work. Or you can use it for storage. Let's go see what we got upstairs. Look, you got a whole nother living room up here. Whole nother living room. Living area with bedrooms all around it. See, here's another bedroom. There's number 3. Another huge bedroom. There's number 4. Another full bath. And here you have number 5. This looks more like a bonus room, like it can be a studio or a game room or a man cave, whatever you need it to be. Another closet. There's so much space in this house. Got a living room upstairs, a living room downstairs. I love when you can get straight to the attic. You don't have to climb up the stairs. You walk straight into there. I love the attic access upstairs. Come back downstairs. Let's go take a look. Here's another view of the living room, the dining area. Look at this backyard, huge backyard. A lot of space in this backyard. Moving to Baton Rouge with Jay LaRose at Capital City Cribs. This over 2,700 square foot, 5-bedroom home at the lakes at Santa Mall. If I can help you out in any way, call my phone number, email me, book a call with me. It's in the description section. Tune in next week for another home tour. I love y'all. Have a blessed one.
So, quick question. From way up here, the planet looks tiny, but I'm still thinking about housing. What's the median price range for a home down there right now? Is it still around 400,000 or has it gone up?
All right, doors open. Time to start this listing tour from 15,000 feet. We're out. I'm falling at about 120 miles an hour, but I'm still your friendly neighborhood realtor.